Hey, are you looking for a country house in Italy, maybe with a possibility of hosting horses or animal in general with flat land? I think this is the one you're looking for. Let's go and see. The property is composed by a plot of 6 hectares of land, which are almost 15 acres, most of them completely flat. We have 3 buildings. The main farmhouse, which is composed by 4 independent apartments. In total, currently we have 7 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. And then we have 2 external agricultural annexes, an old barn, which is in need of renovation, but allows the possibility to further develop the accommodation business, or creating, painting studios or yoga rooms. And then the third building is the old pigsty, which is in very good structural condition, and it's also extend even further the possibilities for this property. If you have animals, if you want to keep horses here near, you can use this stable for them. And so let me show you the fields included, because they are very nice. Finally, spring came. This is one of the mainly 3 fields composing the whole property, 3 flat fields, and also an old vineyard is present, which is needs to be replanted, because there are very, very old grapes, which is up there. This is the pool area. The other field down there is also part of the property. Property boundary is the big lime tree. It's a small stream built in there, collecting mainly rainwater. So let me go up to the top of the field, and then I can show you the view down. So this is the top of the field, which overlooks the whole property. It's amazing. Very protected area from the hills around. Very mature oak trees. Unfortunately, guys, no aerial clips for this video, because as you can see, I just stuck my drone into a very tall tree, and I think I have to say goodbye to my drone. So no aerial clips, but I will make sure a new drone will be available for the next property tour. Water to the property is provided through 4 private wells. This is one of them. Plus, for the fields, there is a connection to an irrigation system from a reservoir. So it provides unlimited water for the farmers, which is very important. Electricity, of course, comes from the main lines, and for the heating systems, they currently have a LPG propane tank, which is filled by a local company. So, as you can see, this is the barn, which is in need of renovation, but it's a big volume that can be developed in many ways. It could be an agricultural building, it could be probably converted into a residential building to extend the accommodation business. And a beautiful detail on the main farmhouse, let me see if I can show it to you. It's, we call it Meridiana. Let's go and see the pool area. This is the pool area. It's a 12 by 6 meters pool. Of course, we are in April now, everything is still closed, but it will be open soon. This is the biggest fill, which is very long. From the house is all the way down there. Very important, on the big oaks, it's where the gravel road start, which is completely flat and approximately 200 meters long and connected directly to a paved road, which is, you know, very ideal and very useful if you need to reach the house with trailers, trucks, for your animal, or even easily with a car. Okay, let's go and see the inside. All the apartments are equipped with their own kitchen and living area. Some of them also have a fireplace. All the systems are completely independent. So this arch door is very nice. Three apartments have 2 bedrooms, and only one of them is 1 bedroom. Vaulted ceilings for this apartment. So 2 apartments on the ground floor and 2 apartments on the upper floor. Garden is full of flowers. Let me show you the two upper apartments from this beautiful staircase. So the two entrances overlooking the garden and the fields. Master bedroom. Oops. And double bed. These two apartments on the upper floor can be easily joined because this wall here is not a supporting wall, and it was created to divide the two apartments, so it can be removed easily and have one big apartment on the wall upper floor. The nearest town with all the services is probably less than 5 minutes drive. Anyways, on the way to the village there are other services like a gas station, a bakery, a pharmacy, so everything is really close, but at the same time you are in the quiet of the countryside. Perugia airport, is 40 minutes away, more or less. Florence is less than 2 hours. Rome is 2.5. And Arezzo is also very close, 40 minutes, more or less. So there you have trains to Florence, Milan and Rome. So if you cannot fly into Perugia airport, then you can fly into Pisa, Florence or Rome, and then take a high-speed train to Arezzo. Okay, let's go and see the last apartment. Okay, so we have finished. Okay, we have finished the property tour. If you liked the property and you would like to have more information about you can contact me. My email address in the description below the video, as well with the asking price for the property and the link to the listing, so you can have all the details, square meters, number of bedroom, everything. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it and see you on my next video. Ciao.